Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today I will discuss about MCQ on musculoskeletal system. This is the first part of the session. Question number 1. Carpal is an example of option A, short bone, option B, irregular bone, option C, flat bone, option D, sesamoid bone. The right answer is option A, short bone. Question number 2. Patella is a sesamoid bone. It is true or false? This is true. Option A is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a flat bone? Option A, tarsal, option B, sternum, option C, rib, option D, skull bone. The right answer is option A, tarsal. Question number 4. The covering of bone is known as option A, pleura, option B, meninges, option C, periosteum, option D, pericardium. The right answer is option C, periosteum. Question number 5. The major constituent of bone is option A, NaCl, option B, KCl, option C, magnesium phosphate, option D, calcium phosphate. The right answer is option D, calcium phosphate. Question number 6. Which is characteristic of collagen? Option A, very strong, option B, fibrous, option C, gives bone flexibility, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a bone cell? Option A, osteoblast, option B, osteoclast, option C, osteochrome, option D, osteocyte. The right answer is option C, osteochrome. It is not a bone cell. Question number 8. The deeper layer of bone is option A, metaosteum, option B, periosteum, option C, endoosteum, option D, exoosteum. The right answer is option B, periosteum. Periosteum is the deeper layer of the bone cell. Question number 9. Haversian canal is present at option A, periphery, option B, center, option C, both end, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, center. Question number 10. The series of cylindrical plates arranged in the central canal are option A, lamellae, option B, osteon, option C, osteoid, option D, osteocyte. The right answer is option A, lamellae. Question number 11. Lacuna is present, option A, between the lamellae, option B, inside the lamellae, option C, end of long bone, option D, center of long bone. The right answer is option A, between the lamellae. Question number 12. Which is not true about canaliculi? Option A, network of tiny channel, option B, allows circulation of interstitial fluid, option C, lacuna communicate by canaliculi, option D, canaliculi is filled with inorganic salts and it is rigid. The right answer is option D, canaliculi is filled with inorganic salts and it is rigid. It is not true about canaliculi because it is not at all a rigid structure and it is not filled with inorganic salts. Interstitial fluid is present inside it. Question number 13. Ossification of bones occurs at dash weeks of gestation. Option A, 8, option B, 10, option C, 18, option D, 28. The right answer is option A, 8. Question number 14. Which of the following hormones is not associated with skeletal development? Option A, growth hormone, option B, T3, option C, glucagon, option D, T4. The right answer is option C, glucagon. Question number 15. Testosterone and estrogen do not have any influence on maintaining bone structure. Option A, true, option B, false. Is it true or false? This is false, so option B is the right answer. Testosterone and estrogen definitely have influence on maintaining bone structure. These two enzyme, though these are sex hormones, but they have a important effect on bone structure. Question number 16. Osteoporosis occurs due to option A, fall in progesterone level, option B, fall in estrogen level, option C, fall in TSH level, option D, fall in melatonin level. The right answer is option B, that is fall in estrogen level. If estrogen level falls, when the level of estrogen falls at the period of menopause, then osteoporosis occurs. Question number 17. Calcium level in the blood is maintained by option A TSH, option B calcitonin, option C PTH, option D both B and C, option E both A and C. The right answer is option D both B and C. Calcitonin and parathyroid hormone plays an important role in maintaining calcium level in blood. Question number 18. Which of the following vitamins are needed for bone development? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. All these three vitamins are very important for bone development. Vitamin A helps in cartilage synthesis. Vitamin C helps in the production of collagen. Vitamin D helps in the synthesis of calcium, absorption of calcium and phosphorus. So all the options are right. D is the correct answer. Question number 19. A hole in bone is known as option A septum, option B fossa, option C foramen, option D none of these. The right answer is option C foramen. Question number 20. Which of the following bone is not present in cranium? Option A ethmoid, option B temporal, option C sesamoid, option D frontal. The right answer is option C sesamoid. Ethmoid, temporal, frontal all are present in cranium, but sesamoid bone is completely different. It is the examples of sesamoid bone is patella like that. So sesamoid is the correct answer. It is not present in cranium. Question number 21. Eye sockets are present in option A temporal bone, option B frontal bone, option C parietal bone, option D occipital bone. The right answer is option B frontal bone. Question number 22. Which of the following forms the roof of the skull? Option A parietal bone, option B temporal bone, option C occipital bone, option D frontal bone. The right answer is option A parietal bone. Question number 23. Which of the joint of the skull is movable? Option A temporomandibular, option B condyloid joint, option C pivot joint, option D saddle joint. The right answer is option A temporomandibular joint. Question number 24. Condyloid joint is present in option A axilla, option B atlas, option C mandible, option D none of these. The right answer is option B atlas. Question number 25. Dash passes through foramen of magnum. Option A brain, option B spinal cord, option C nerve, option D none of these. The right answer is option B spinal cord. It passes through foramen of magnum. Question number 26. Dash nerve passes through optic foramen is present in bone. Options are option A optic nerve and ethmoid bone, option B auditory and ethmoid bone, option C oculomotor and occipital bone, option D optic nerve and sphenoid bone. The right answer is option D optic nerve and sphenoid bone. Optic nerve passes through the optic foramen, is present in sphenoid bone. Question number 27. Cribriform plate present in the option A roof of the nasal cavity, option B middle part of the nasal cavity, option C between the sinuses, option D none of these. The right answer is option A roof of the nasal cavity. Question number 28. The skeleton of the face is formed by option A 18 bones, option B 23 bones, option C 28 bones, option D 13 bones. The right answer is option D 13 bones. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a face bone? Option A mandible, option B vomer, option C scapula, option D maxilla. The right answer is scapula. All others are present in face. These are face bone. Question number 30. Which of the following is the cheekbone? Option A maxilla, option B zygomatic bone, option C vomer, option D mandible. The right answer is option B zygomatic bone.
This is the end of today's video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.